tell you, I think it's the best meal I've ever had in my entire life. That dish resonated with me for years. Didn't know how to recreate it, didn't really know what it was. So through many years of research, I finally figured it out. And the best version comes from here. This is actually the very authentic version of it. This takes cognac, it takes wine, it takes a veal stock. And what I add in that it does not call for is garlic, because we love garlic. Cognac. And yes, you are supposed to flame this. I'm not that daring, and if you are, by all means, have fun. But I'll just let the alcohol cook off of it this way. There we go. Hunter style chicken. It is absolutely fantastic. I am going to do some potatoes, parboiled, and then finished off in duck fat to go along with this. It is a very rich, very fantastic meal. And I hope you give it a try.
Oh, takes me right back to France.
But with a ton of flavor. It is so good. French definitely know what they're doing.